missile strikes, tensions running high, and now the roar of A-10s fills the sky. The battle for control enters a more dangerous phase.
Middle East 2025. The United States has once again shown its seriousness in the Middle East region. Dozens of A-10 Thunderbolt II ground attack aircraft, known as Warthog, have reportedly been sent to the region as part of military reinforcements against the Houthi rebel group in Yemen. This move comes amid increasing drone and missile attacks launched by the Houthi group on international merchant ships in the Red Sea. The U.S. government considers that these attacks not only threaten global trade routes but also endanger the security of its strategic partners in the region. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, an aircraft specifically designed to support ground troops and destroy enemy armored vehicles, is considered ideal for precision operations in battlefields such as Yemen. With its main weapon being the 30mm GAU-8 Avenger cannon, the A-10 is capable of raining down accurate fire on targets in a short time. A U.S. Defense Department official who declined to be named said, "The presence of the A-10 in the region is a strong signal that we are ready to protect our interests and those of our allies from the Houthi threat." He also emphasized that the primary mission of this deployment is to strengthen America's military options, not to initiate a new escalation of the conflict. Meanwhile, military analysts view this deployment as part of a maximum pressure strategy against the Houthis, at a time when international diplomatic efforts to end the Yemeni conflict appear to have reached a dead end. The presence of the A-10 is considered to provide much-needed air superiority, as well as being a deterrent for the armed group. On the other hand, this step also raises concerns that U.S. military involvement in the region could deepen, given the political complexity and the unpredictable battlefield in Yemen. Will the deployment of the A-10 accelerate a peaceful solution, or will it actually increase